Hey guys, so I remodeled my office this past summer and I wanted to show you this cool little product I found. Keep in mind this isn't sponsored or anything like that, but this is Feltright. Now what this is basically it's like a wall tile that is a sound barrier as well as it just looks really cool. So I'm installing this on my back wall. It goes backs up to my living room, and I'm just starting this like I would if I was tiling a bathroom. So you notice I put one tile in the corner, and then because my house was built in 1950, I went ahead and leveled the line across, and now I'm just filling in the field. Now the cool thing about Feltright products is they actually come in 6 different sizes. They also come in 5 different patterns if you're going with the 12-inch squares, and 26 colors. So you can really build to your heart's desire, whether that be an 8-bit Mario or just something more generic like what I'm putting together here. But the idea is it deadens the sound both in the room, but also the sound that's coming from the other rooms, and it just looks really, really awesome, especially in the age of the pandemic when everybody's doing a lot of online video chatting. So you'll notice now I'm cutting the tiles up at the ceiling, and these things cut really, really easy. I'm just using a regular old box knife and a straight edge. So it just roughly measure what you need, cut it, and I actually found that if I back cut it a little bit, in other words, cut it on a little bit of an angle, if it was off by just a little bit, it would squeeze up in there anyway, and it provides a really nice tight seam. I was also able to cut these on a table saw, but I will forewarn you that the one color, the color that I'm cutting now, actually, it's kind of a marbled color. That one does grab on the table saw just a little bit. I don't know if it's the makeup or what it is, but otherwise these things cut really, really easily. You just have to take your time so you're safe with it. So as I said, this isn't sponsored. There's no advertiser's link or anything like that. But I just thought this was a really, really cool product, so I figured I wanted to share it with you. If you're interested in checking out Feltright yourself, there is a link below. Again, I'm not making any money. I just thought it was really cool. And I thought you might like to see my office remodel. I thought it turned out really cool. I'm really, really proud of it. So here's a couple pictures. Have a great day.